Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I have followed the racing my entire life, my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning.
I need you to watch The Prisoner tonight.
Well, daggone. Wait a minute. What if he tries to run again?
In the car wash brushes.
Cap, we'll get you out of there. We're coming in right now.
Hello, Pete! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Will
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey! Wait, what? What?
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in years.
Sunday drive. There was one lap racing his 500 of those. Everybody fighting to move up, lap after.
Not my town, don't.
Look here, boys!
With all in all, just to make alternative fuel look bad.
What if? You're basing this on a what if?
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting genius.
I've been trying to get out of here for 3 days.
Hope you enjoyed the show.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Rust-eze has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock.
Me be jamming now, man.
Is everything okay?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe. No. La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no.
Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
So, you ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your
Sit down, Mr. Giraffe.
Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
No, you are not winning this.
You're angry!
I am not angry.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
So, he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I love.
Come on!
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will be...
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
I sold them.
To who?
No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over the phone.
No strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. What's going on, ladies? All righty now, let's have us a little look.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.